Hello, it's Filip from Easy Unreal and welcome to the channel. This video will show you an easy and fast way to add some overgrowth to your mesh in Unreal Engine 5. So let's start. Go File and create one basic level. After that, go to Quixel Megascans and choose your asset. I'll go with this Japanese gravestone. But later in the video I'll show you how to do it on the wall and how easy it is to replace things. Click Add, drag it to the level. And set the location to 0, 0, 0. Go back to Megascans and choose your plants. I'll go with the Yellow Archangel. Click Add. If you didn't enable the plugin earlier, you can go Edit, Plugins, type in here Procedural, and enable this PCG. Make sure to restart Unreal Engine. Save everything including your map. Now go right click and add PCG graph. Name it. Open your map. Drag PCG graph to the level and make sure that the location is also 0, 0, 0. You can see your graph boundaries. Open your graph. Right click and select Create Points node. Under the blueprint element type, find Mesh to Points. We got an error, but don't worry. Just under Static Mesh, find the gravestone asset. Save it. Right click and enable debug. If you go to the level, you can see white cubes. They will represent our plants. It's a bit dense, so go to blueprint again. Change scale method to relative. And make point scale to be something like 0.005. Make sure to enable these points from vertices. Now to actually add our plants, go right click, Static Mesh Spawner. Under Mesh Entries, add our plant. You can add multiple plants if you want. You can see it's a bit dense, so we need to add a density filter. You can turn off this debug option. To actually see the difference, we need to right click and add normal to density. You can see the effect. To change the density, select the density filter and change the lower and upper boundary values. Let me now quickly show you how to change assets. Go to Megascans and download another asset, for example this castle wall example. Add it to the scene. And change it in the mesh to the points node. Adjust the density and you get another asset with the same overgrowth effect. You can change the plant type also if you want. And sound direction with Ctrl L. And this is how you easily and quickly create overgrowth in Unreal Engine 5. I hope you learned something new and useful from this video. If you like this tutorial, feel free to check out my other tutorials about Unreal Engine 5 in the playlist in the description. Thanks for watching and bye bye.